What's up, boys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we got our new tow rig delivered. It's a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500. It's got the well-known 5.9 Cummins motor. So let's go ahead and give it a quick wash, and then we'll go into detail on what we bought. Stay tuned. Alright, boys, it's the next day here, and today we're gonna go ahead and get the RX-7 on the frame machine. But for now, we're making some room for the tow rig to come in, and we'll get started on that. Let me show you something. Look what the sun does. So we got a brand new dash to install. boys, we ran into a little issue. The dash that we bought was actually like a Chinese dash,
and you have to glue it. It didn't have no actual tabs, so we are going to look for an OEM dash so that everything fits right, and this interior is going to look brand new again, so stay tuned for that.
Yep. I'm going to try to get the interior looking new again, so we're going to hold off on this for now and move on to some other things. So this is the replacement that we got, and you could tell that it's a aftermarket like cover. You can see there's like no clips under here. They provide the sealer to kind of glue it on, so we don't really want to do it that way because it doesn't fit quite well. Try to get an original one and replace it with that, but for now, hit that horn for us one time. What we got going on in here? Damn, she idles good. Alright, so we pretty much got most of our top bolts off on the fender, and we do have to take this battery along with this ABS module because it is attached to the side of the fender. There's a little more to it in a truck than a car to pull a fender off. We've already got our side brackets off for the bumper, but we are having issues on these upper bolts here. Our bumper was pushed in a little, and we don't have quite the space we need to get our wrench in there. So we're probably going to end up using our frame tower, pull the truck up, or use a winch to pull the bumper out a little bit and give us some space in there.
There's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Found one more 10mm holding us up.
That sucker right there.
Got it. So the whole fender should pop right off. Let's see the magic. Oh, easy. What's over there?
Looks good over here. Just trying to.
Hey, she's almost off. What could be holding us? Shine the light through here.
Last one.
Easy there.
Easy there, Bubba.
Put it on the wheel. You got one more harness right here.
See what Bubba got.
Dang, we got the whole thing off. So I wasn't sure if this wheel well was part of it, but as you can see, it is spot welded on. But it's just gonna be a whole lot easier, and we could clean all this up in here. So we decided to go ahead and get the whole thing off instead of trying to drill anything on the vehicle. Is that a ground?
Yeah.
So as I mentioned before, our power steering box was leaking. So we've got a bunch of oil around here, and that's really just gonna give us a chance to clean all this up, pressure wash the motor up in detail, and really tune the truck up.
Oh yeah.
There you go, Bubba.
Got it.
Dang. Check out all these holes down here. They were holding the harness and all that, so it took about an hour. It took us about an hour to pull all this off,
Hey,
but
we got it though.
oh yeah. Look how much it opened up around here. We could really go and check out everything.
Give it a nice detail.
We don't have any turbo leaks, but I could see something coming in the future.
There's some rippage right there.
We're definitely gonna have to replace that boot.
Man, you can see so much more.
I know, man. Think about how well you could get the pressure washer in there so much better, and really just clean all this up, detail it,
Oh yeah.
replace all the damaged parts, and
Bubba's gonna go wash his hands.
make this into a reliable tow rig. Alright boys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. It is getting late on us. I have to get inside and edit this out. I know we hopped around on a few different builds and we didn't get as much done as we wanted. We got a lot of work done on the truck. We found out that our dashboard we ordered, the replacement piece was an aftermarket piece and it's very cheaply made. We are gonna get into the truck, make sure everything is down to spec, give it a good maintenance, and get this thing into a reliable tow rig. I'm very excited for this build. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, we got some awesome things on the way, and I'll catch you very soon.